Welcome back to the channel. We're on a little bit of a scrap mission this morning. Picked up this cool little mini dozer for Sam at Scrappy Industries. It's got a little 3-cylinder diesel in it. Not sure what the tracks are off of, but it should be a cool little project for him. You know, the real reason we're out here today is I bought a couple more projects. These came up on Marketplace and couldn't pass them up. So we got a galleon dresser roller. Got a 453 in it. We're gonna work on getting that started today. And then the real thing that got my attention was this dresser. It's pretty soft out here. TD15C. Got a 466 in it. New undercarriage. Looks like she's in really good shape. So the exhaust stack came off and turbo's probably shot, but the engine's free. A little bit of a fuel leak in the back. But we're going to try to get this running today also. I think this has like 4,000 hours on it. 3,812 hours. Let's see. Everything looks really good on this machine. So we're going to start with the roller. I'm going to pull the valve cover because it's got a Detroit in it. So I found this end broken off for this lever. We got that broken off. I almost got the valve cover off. I got one more screw to get out. And then that U-joint. That's probably why this is parked. I noticed that was down like that. That's not supposed to be like that. I'm gonna work on getting that off too. I don't want that slapping around when we start this. Shut off moves, gotta get this valve cover off. And then that's the lever that's broken. Got the valve cover off, and we got one stuck injector, two stuck injectors. A little weak. Huh? It's starting to smoke. Come on. It's gonna go this time. Come on! Turn the key on.
Was it on all the way?
It was off.
It's on?
I don't know what that does.
Put it in the middle. Touchy.
Hold on. So it's moving day for these two girls. Gotta do a little tinkering on the roller. I got a throttle cable for it, and I'm gonna probably try to take off this U-joint down there. And then I gotta throw a set of batteries in the dozer. Roller's going to Denver's house. He's got a pad to compact for a new shop. As you can see, the pump shaft is in pretty rough shape. The yoke was no different. That also needed repaired. Here's the shaft out of the pump. And I did find a new one, so I bought that and I put that in the pump. And then I bought a coupling and I welded this into the yoke. Here's the repaired hydraulic pump. This is for the vibration, and it did work. Here you can see Denver working on his building pad. So he had this machine for just about a year, maybe a little bit more, and ended up selling it shortly after he was done with it. And I never actually got that machine to the house or even ran it, other than when we got it running. So it worked well for him. Glad he could use it. It's a new Burco undercarriage.
Say, track shirt don't look bad.
He said he put new segments and chains and pads on it. It's good. That's a surprise. I thought I had the motor going over.
So something's wrong.
It's the solenoid. What if you hold it first and then I hit it?
There we go.
That turbo's spinning. I guess we'll see if we can move it. Get off the track. No! I moved the throttle down. the hell? I'm stupid.
Surprised. Do you think it would have stayed this time?
Hold on, let me get my...
That's one thing I never liked doing.
Get them bent right. Hold her in. Do we lose prime? Is the fuel shut off in the back?
Is it shut off?
I don't know.
Let me look.
Prime feels good. Well, try it again. Let's just try to start it again. Ready when you are. Well, that was cool. So, this is probably why the starter isn't working that great. Pretty crusty. Clean it up and put it back together and see if it'll start on its own. So you got both the dozer and the roller ready to go. We got some things to take care of before we can actually use them, but that's to be expected when the stuff's been sitting for years. We got the starter working with the button now after cleaning up the contacts in the solenoid. Probably gonna end up having to do all the hoses on this. But we've got an excellent undercarriage. This dozer will be going to my place, so I can start getting my pad prepped for my shop. Yep. Looks so little.